Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, before we jump into US market, Asian markets, and all those things, I was just listening to Donald Trump. He was addressing the nation. Like I said, that today 6:30 morning, the Trump will be addressing the nations, and there are very interesting facts that he was just saying, and because of which the SGX Nifty fell. Now it is showing a gap down opening of close to 200 points. So, what exactly is he has said, I will tell you in very short. So he, earlier 15 minutes of his speech, he was saying that the general addressation to the nation, but later he said, if the deal is not being cracked in 2 to 3 days, then they will hit them again very, very hard, and they will take back Iran to stone ages. Now, this is a very, very big statement. Very big statement. Everyone was thinking that now Trump will back out. Trump will, close his military operations from Iran, but looks like no, they are not gonna do that. They're gonna hit them very, very hard if the deal is not being cracked. So looks like the war tensions are escalating again, and I don't think so. The Iran will back out like a coward, and the way they are fighting and the way they are aggressive towards the escalations. I don't think so. The Iran will back out very, very soon. So looks like the Trump has said that they will take back Iran to Stone Age if they will not crack the deal very, very soon. So this is a very, very big statement coming from Mr. Trump, and this has changed the whole sentiment. Asian market fell. XJS Nifty currently I'm watching it fell, but now it is showing a gap down opening of 180. 200 points, right? Yesterday, if you look at Dow Jones closed at 224 points positive, Nasdaq closed at 280 points positive, and S&P 500 closed at 46 points positive. The whole sentiment was good. SGX Nifty was showing a flat opening, but after the speech, the SGX Nifty, the Asian markets, the Dow futures, everything collapsed. So just now I finished watching. Just now he closed his speech, and Brent crude, now it was trading at 100, less than $100. Now it was at $99. It shot up. And USD INR, now it is at $94, 94 rupees per dollar. So this changed the whole sentiment. This changed the whole levels. Now I came out with levels, right? Look at the option chain, look at the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. These things won't work. So if you look at FII and DII data, right, on previous session, the FII, they have sold close to 8,331 crores, and DII, they bought close to 7,171 crores. Like I said, it's just Nifty showing a gap down opening of 200 points. Yesterday, however, we closed in positive, but if you have watched my pre-market video, I clearly told you that in this gap up opening, in this 3 to 400 points gap up opening, look for shorting. And if you have listened and if you have shorted the market, very, very good. From if you have shorted at any levels, if you have shorted at any levels, you would have made money. And if you are carrying the shorts, today the SGX Nifty showing a gap down opening of 200 points. So very, very fantastic trade we have taken. So successfully we have done a very, very short trade, and after the market will open, trail the stop loss to cost SL. So this is my view. The closing was around 22,679 on Nifty spot. The support now is at 22,300 and the resistance now is at 23,000. What's the point of talking about levels once you have this type of news that in 2 to 3 weeks, if they will not sign the deal, then they will hit them very hard and take back to stone ages. That was the word of Mr. Trump. So closing was in Bank Nifty, the closing was 51,448. Now, if I have to choose between Nifty and Bank Nifty is, however, the most beaten sector. Look at HDFC Bank, look at SBI Bank. SBI now is below 1,000 levels. ICICI Bank is at 1,300 or 1,250 levels. So now I'm recovering heavy recovery in Bank Nifty than Nifty. So Bank Nifty support now is at 51,000 and resistance now is at 52,000. So this is my view, and I still tell you that if you have short positions, fantastic. If anyone has long positions, what are you doing? Watch my videos, subscribe to my channel and destroy that like button. So if you watch my videos, I come out and tell you what is actually I am doing. It's not the levels. Market is not only about levels. It's all about how the world markets are moving, how the overall texture of the market is, right? So if you have long positions, look for exiting. because in the next 1 or 2 weeks market looks very aggressive, and market looks very volatile in very short to medium term. So this is my view. It's a still wait and watch market for me. However, I don't have any positions whatsoever, not long positions, not short positions. If you have short positions, trail your stop loss cost to cost. So this is my view. Thank you for watching. I hope you'd have learned a lot. And I think tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is Good Friday, so market will be off. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you have long weekend. So don't have any positions. You never know what can happen. So this is my view. I have shared you everything. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.